Hello friends, welcome to WP Themes channel. This channel is dedicated to the WordPress themes and plugins and even for the WordPress tweaks and tricks. So in this video we are going to install the Rosalinda WordPress theme. Rosalinda WordPress theme is especially made for health coach and vegetarian lifestyle blog WordPress. So if you are trying to or willing to make the health coach or vegetarian lifestyle blog website, and this theme is going to be a very good selection for you. So theme was written and created on the December 18, and we got some updated and release as well in this year. So last release was on 6th April 20. So it got the WP required badge as well. So it is written by the Power Elite author, so you don't need to bother about the quality of code and the theme. So let us have a look on the demo website. So this is Rosalinda demo website. So you can see it is very good looking and stunning. So two home pages are there. So for home one, you can have a look of complete home page. This is the home page, and definitely it is simple and attractive. So white background mixed with the big images, making it a good sense of look. So Rosalinda WordPress theme, especially for lifestyle personal vegetarian life coach. So let us start the installation of Rosalinda health coach and vegetarian lifestyle blog WordPress theme. So I got the press installation of WordPress, in which 2020 WordPress theme is installed, and the theme pack, in which I got the licensing, documentation, plugins, Rosalinda zip and Rosalinda child. So in plugins I have some necessary plugins like Book, Essential Grid, JS Composer and Wrap Slider. So we can begin the installation now. Go to the WordPress panel, Appearance, Themes, Add New, Upload Theme, Browse, and you have to upload the Rosalinda.zip here. For saving time, I am directly uploading it on my server, so you can do the same, either of options. So you can upload from there or from cPanel as well. So it is a lightweight theme, just 6.29 MB. It will not take more than a minute. Just wait. And upon the completion of uploading, we have to extract this Rosalinda.zip. Refresh, and we got the Rosalinda folder here, and all the components of theme is in this folder. So we can now delete the Rosalinda.zip. It is no more required. So again come to the theme section of WordPress panel, and Rosalinda is here. We can see this theme details: Rosalinda 1.0.4 Hexagon themes. Rosalinda is premium WordPress theme that has built-in support of popular page and etc. etc. So we can activate this. And yes, it is asking for to install the theme racks add-on plugin. So let us first of all install this. and upon installation of the core theme, I mean core plugin, it goes to the required plugin set alert and start setup page. Basically it is a setup wizard page, so all server core vitals are checked here, so nothing is marked as red, so all things are looking good, and we can start the setup. So it has steps like general, plugins, demo data, and quick setup. So just click on start setup. So we have to select the required set of plugins here. So contact form, MailChimp, booked appointments, bakery page builder, theme Rex updater is not required for the time being, GDPR is also not required, essential grid is required, revolution slider is required. So install and activate button is here, so we can go for this. It will take a bit time because multiple themes are here, plugins are here, has to be installed, and you can see that it is getting done automatically. You have just to wait. So all the selected plugins are now installed, and we can move for the next. I just left 2 plugins which is not required for the time being. So yes, we can move for the next. So now the selection is for the demo data, and it is asking to confirm what we want. So definitely we want the complete website and not only selected pages. So option is here, whole demo data. So in this all the old data will be erased, and definitely we don't have any data, so it is not a worry for us, and we are going to import the complete data. And another option is also here, you can see if at any stage you need to have a partial import, so you can use these options as well. So for the very first time we have to import the complete data. This is why we have to click on radio button, select on radio button, whole demo site, and click on OK. And activity is going here, I don't know why. Okay, I just selected and we have to move on next. Okay, fine. So theme colors, I don't know what is this. Let us see and save options. So upon selection of whole demo site, we have to click on, let's see the advanced setting as well. So start import, and now it is going on. So post progress bar is here, you can see, and wait and watch. So what is going on? Don't refresh the page and don't even leave this, so it can break the import process. Just be patient. Media will take a bit time because media files always take times. So the complete demo content is now imported and everything is green here. We can move on next. before you must load an imported setting. Okay, so it need to be reload. And so we can upload the logo and basic upload and select the basic color and logo etc. here, and save option. So now everything has been done, so we can take a look of our website. Something new is going to come. Yes, Rosalinda is here, so we have done it. So all images are copyrighted, so you have to take care, don't use any images and just replace with your own images. And C mark is here. So I'll tell you a trick. So you can use even these images for taking originally from here. So you just need to click on view image and you can save it from here. So copy, there is no copyright mark here, but it is not an ethical method. I'm just telling you the trick, and you can replace the image. So we have completed the installation and demo import of Rosalinda WordPress theme, and appointments are there. So let us have a look on the website panel, what we got in the theme panel and all. So in the theme panel, we have already seen the steps. Theme options are here, so we can have a look. So it is logo and site identity, general settings, header, footer, front page builder, blog, typography, colors and plugin settings. So since it is a consular type website, so booking option is here, and contacts we can see. So get in touch is here, very stunning page about me, and this theme is also having homepage too, so we can use this page as well. So homepage 2 is like this, no images here. Okay, image is there, it was checking time, just loading. So this is homepage 2. If you like this, you can use this as well. So it is also wonderful. So appointments, then more and all sort of things. Programs, we can see the another page, programs. So all pages are very good in design and look, and it is simply the best theme for the purpose it has been made. So it is a life coach website theme basically. So things has been made according to that only, and we have seen the theme options as well. So if you need to configure appointments, so it is here only, and we have completed the theme installation, demo import, of Rosalinda theme. And if you get any problem in getting the theme uploaded or installed or importing demo, so just write in the discussion section of this video. I'll definitely try to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe this channel, because I'm going to bring some wonderful themes and plugins and some WordPress tweaks for you. So keep watching. Thank you.